Namaste everyone, welcome back to Resort to Recovery. In my previous video, we discussed why FSSAI advises against using newspaper for food wrapping due to the risk of chemical contamination. But this raises an interesting question. If newspapers are unsafe for food contact, then what does Ayurveda recommended for storing, cooking and serving food? You may be surprised to know that Ayurveda doesn't just discuss what we eat, it also discusses where we store it and the vessels we use for cooking and serving. According to Ayurveda, the utensils or patra can influence the quality of food and water. Let's look at some examples. Copper vessel, Tamra Patra. Ayurveda recommends storing drinking water in copper vessels. Water kept overnight in a copper vessel is traditionally believed to acquire beneficial properties. Modern studies have also shown that copper has antimicrobial activity and can reduce the growth of certain microorganisms. Iron vessel or Loha Patra. Cooking in iron utensils can naturally increase the iron content of the food. This is especially relevant in populations where iron deficiency is common. Traditional Ayurvedic texts also mention the importance of iron vessels in various pharmaceutical preparations. Silver vessel or Rajata Patra. Silver vessels were traditionally used for serving drinks and certain foods. Ayurveda describes silver as cooling and beneficial. Historically, silver utensils were also valued for their hygienic properties. Earthen pots or Nritika Patra. One of the Ayurveda's most celebrated vessel is the earthen pot. Clay pots allow slow and uniform cooking. They help retain moisture and are traditionally believed to preserve the natural qualities of food. Even today, many people prefer clay pots for preparing rice, curries and fermented foods. Banana leaves. Ancient Ayurvedic texts mention serving fruits and food on natural leaves such as banana leaves. These were biodegradable, eco-friendly and free from synthetic chemicals. What is even more fascinating is that Ayurveda did not recommend the same vessel for every purpose. Acharya Sushruta specifically mentions different vessels for different types of food and drinks. According to these classical references, ghee was recommended to be stored in an iron vessel. Drinks and beverages were often served in silver vessels. Boiled and cooled drinking water was recommended to be stored in copper vessels. Fermented preparations were stored in earthen vessels. Fruits were traditionally served on natural leaves such as banana leaves. These recommendations show that remarkable attention Ayurveda gave to food handling and storage. The ancient acharyas understood the quality of food is influenced not only by the ingredients but also by the vessels that come in contact with it. Today, modern food safety science is also emphasizing the importance of food contact materials, reminding us that the container can be just as important as the food itself. This demonstrates how Ayurveda viewed food safety as a complete system from selection and preparation to storage, serving and consumption. The wisdom is simple: choose safe food, choose safe packaging, choose safe utensils, because good health begins long before the first bite. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Resort to Recovery. I'm Dr. Vismita KR. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.